Good afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. We're out here today looking at this little, this is a little swarm, this last swarm I got, I think. So we're going to take a look, see at it. Turn this where I can see. We're going to take the top off here. They say they don't have any food. It has a few beetles. Okay. They've got a little water. This one here has no bugs and doesn't have much of anything else on there. But that's okay. This one here, they're not doing a whole lot with, but they've run out of food. That little clip is, and that little piece of wax there is where they were building the wax around the clip that had the queen in it. Okay, this one here. Not a whole lot. We may have to just put these with another one. Queen might have decided that she just wanted to leave the house. She was in a swarm mood. Here has a little bit of brood, a little bit of larvae, and some eggs. So I'd say she's still in here somewhere. There she is. Right there. Where am I at? She's right here. Stick her back in. Let's look at the bottom, see about bugs. No bugs. We may just put them in a smaller box or go over here to 505 blueberry and get those bees and put into here. But they have no food. And that will stop them from laying. We'll do some of our swiffer sheet stuff with them. Looks like the bottom was closed up completely, which is fine. You don't have to worry about them getting robbed or bunch beetles or wax moths or any of that. We're going to take these and set them over here. This over here, and it has a lot of beetles. We'll get some more bees and put in here with these. We'll take some of this frame out too. That's up. Let's see. We need another bottom, don't we? We'll bring them a bottom back. Get this a swiffer sheet here. Okay. Get the little girls off of here. Come on, girls. Come on. Got there. Should have done this earlier. I'm getting old and I had situations. So we're going to do it now. Let's see here. If there's any beetles on there, they should have fell off. I hope it didn't make the queen fall off. Okay. Get them a new feeder there, and these we'll take care of this probably tomorrow. We had doctor appointments and all that stuff today. I went by Bob Walker house, and he's setting up the splits and stuff. Y'all need to watch him. Bob Walker Bee Ranch. little bit of beetle larvae. So we're going to have to go back and check through those frames again. Okay. And that's about it, people. We're going to take this over here, the pine straw that was in there, and we're going to burn it. That might be where the little maggots was at, or the larvae, or whatever y'all want to call them. And that's about it. We're going to put some more swiffer sheets on here, but I'm going to go through these frames again and make sure there's no larvae in there. We're going to give us some honey across the top. We're going to put a jar in there with some food in it. Y'all have seen me put the jars in and turn them upside down, put the top on, put a couple holes in it. But that's what we're going to do with this one, but I'm not going to put y'all through all that. So, hope y'all enjoyed that, but this is what we're doing with little nukes. This one needs a lot of growing before it turns cold. But we expect them to overwinter pretty good. And we'll talk with you later, people. Y'all give us a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. Stay excited. Have a good weekend. Be happy. Take care of yourselves.